Hi everybody, it's Jess, and I have some good news I want to share with you. So, I was selected as April's Artist of the Month at a local cafe called 55 and Sunset. Go girl. Anyways, it's a great honor for me and I'm very thrilled about it. Also very nervous because it requires me leaving my artist hole and going out into the world. This is my first time ever exhibiting in a cafe. So wow, like I'm very excited. So excited that I thought I'd try and attempt to share the process with you, as well as some of the artwork that I'm going to be displaying for the month of April. Let me show you some of the pieces that will be included in the show. By the way, this is my studio slash garage. All these pieces here will be featured in the exhibit. It's quite a mess. Let me show you these pieces up close. This is my pop art collection that was in the women's exhibit at Slip Gallery back in December. That was my very first exhibit. Shout out to Slip Gallery for giving me that opportunity. These will be up at 55 Sunset Cafe as well. Some iconic women figures that have inspired me throughout my life, and I'm sure many others. This baby, I love this one so much. This was one of my very first paintings, inspired by the neighborhood I grew up in back in Miami. And there's these, inspired by the Pacific Northwest as well. Some wood. It's painted on wood with some gold metal leaf, oil, and I just love these so much. And yeah, so I'm going to start packing these babies up, and I'm kind of running late. Hopefully, if it's not packed, I'll film some of the process for you. So see you soon. Current status right now. Let's get the artwork. So I'm here at 55 Sunset, and I'm about to mount my pop art collection on this wall. Wish me luck. Looks like it's a wrap for today.